In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cascading parameter. I've added two data sets, and I'm going to have two parameters, territory and salesperson, and I want to see all the salespeople within a territory that I choose. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my territory data set. It just has territory ID and name. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a parameter that says territory. And then my prompt is going to be territory. And then my available values, I'm going to say get values from query. Choose my data set territory. My value field will be my territory ID, and my label field will be the name of the territory. Okay? And then the next thing I'm going to show you is my second data set, which is going to give me my salesperson. So you see I have my first name and last name of my salesperson, and then my salesperson ID. Okay, and so what I'm missing here is I need to do a where clause, and this is how we get the cascading factor. The where clause where my territory ID equals, and I'm going to say ampersand territory. Let's say then I'm going to go down here and look at my parameters, and so you see that it's added that territory parameter. I'm going to choose my territory parameter that I've added for it to equal and say OK. So now, if we preview, oops, okay, sorry, the third thing I'm going to do is add a parameter, add my salesperson parameter. Name salesperson. My prompt is going to be salesperson. And then my available values, get values from query. I'm going to choose my salesperson data set, the value field, salesperson ID, and label field, salesperson. And just say OK. Okay, so now I have my two parameters, and they should be cascading. Preview, so I'm going to select a territory. We'll go with Australia. And you see I have two salespeople from Australia. And then I'm going to choose Canada. It's going to change my salespeople to be the salespeople in the territory of Canada. I'll show you one more. We'll go Southeast, Jillian Carson, Michael Blythe. You can see it's all changing to be within that territory that I choose over here on the left. And that is how you create a cascading parameter.